So I went on a weak-ass podcast a couple weeks ago, and an old lady told me to read a book. So here you go, old lady. I'm reading a book. It's called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Let's get into the video.
Most people do not engage in a methodical process of questioning, evaluation of assumptions, investigation, information.
I decided to play it safe and I shouldn't. In a hoodie with my face all crooked. Suckers hate, it's all goody. They just wanna say what you shouldn't, say what you couldn't do, but look it, they softer than pudding, sweeter than a chocolate chip cookie. So I punch they number like a bookie. They wishing they could cook me, they wishing they was fishing and could hook me, they wishing they could tell their man they took me. But look it, I'm always in protect mode. I keep my enemies, frenemies in a guess mode. I don't have time for these suckers that be in yes mode. You playing checkers, I'm sorry, but I'm in chess mode. Damn, laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate. Laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate, check.
It's time to get personal. Get back, man, get. It's time to get personal, man. First and foremost, rest in peace to Kevin Samuels. I've learned a lot from his life, man. And that's what this video really is about. Kevin Samuels made me realize that you gotta have an explicit plan, man. And when I say explicit, what I mean is your plan have to be like unambiguous. It has to be no way, either your way or no way. You know what I'm saying? Don't veer from the plan until you finish, until you get it done, until you succeed. You feel me? Gotta be clear cut, your plan do. You know what I'm saying? I look at his life and I just see how he wanted women to, understand one thing. That they weren't special just like us men, not special. You know what I'm saying? With him being on this earth for the short amount of time that he was, he stayed true to that. He didn't switch up at all. He didn't care about the haters. He didn't care what nobody had to say. Nothing. He just got on his YouTube channel, his Instagram channel, and he let loose. You know what I'm saying? He told you this, he told you that. He didn't care what you thought about it. He was doing God's work. You feel me? So, how am I going to apply what I've learned from Mr. Samuel's life to mine? How am I going to apply what I've learned, man? Well, I'm simplifying everything. I'm not about to be doing this. I'm not about to be doing that, this, and the third. I got one plan, and I'm going to stick to that one plan until I succeed. You know what I'm saying? Once I succeed at that one plan, then we could go on to the next one, and the next one until we get to that ultimate vision. You know what I'm saying? But for right now, I had to simplify my life, man, because I've been very confused. I've had a vision this whole time. I've had a plan this whole time. But I've been trying to do this and this and this all at the same time. And it ain't been working out, man. So, I had to simplify. I have one plan that I'm accomplishing at this point right now. And I won't move on to anything else until it's done. So this here video right here, this video is going to hold me accountable. And I want y'all to hold me accountable. The real supporters, man. I want y'all to hold me accountable for what I'm going to tell y'all in the next segment of this video. I feel like I can't do it alone. You know what I'm saying? I have to have people behind me. I have my family, of course. But I need more folks. I need a whole army, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm bringing this video to y'all, let y'all know, to hold me accountable. If y'all see me slipping off my pimping, if I'm trying to do this or that or the third, I need y'all to be able to check me and be like, yeah, you said this. You was doing this. So why are you trying to do this when you ain't finished this yet? You know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate if y'all do hold me accountable. My plan is to build up a solid, man. If you ain't solid, get off this video. I want to build up a solid support system, man. Folks that resonate with me, with my personality, my style, the way I going about life, you feel me? I need some solid supporters to rock with me on this YouTube channel to eventually monetize this YouTube channel, to eventually give back to my supporters and reinvest into the YouTube channel to build business type relationships on YouTube, that'll take me Lord knows where, far away from YouTube, doing all different type of successful business related type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's the plan. The plan, I'm gonna reiterate it. The plan is to grow a nice following on YouTube, an audience of supporters, real supporters now, real supporters that fuck with me for me. That's what I need. I need some supporters. And the supporters gonna eventually get my YouTube monetized. That money is gonna take care of my family. I'm gonna reinvest it back into my supporters, the folks that got me here in the first place. And I'm gonna reinvest it back into the channel to give y'all more lit content, man. So that's the plan. That's the first plan, and I will not deviate from it until I accomplish it. You know what I'm saying? And when I accomplish it, it'll be probably another video just like this one, maybe. And I'll be telling y'all, we done it. We did it. On to the next. And I'll tell y'all the next plan, and we're gonna work towards that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna end the video like this because, man, we close to being monetized on this channel already. If you haven't already, man, and I know my real supporters, they done it. But if you trying to become a real supporter, if you are a real supporter, but you just ain't hit that subscribe button yet, man, hit the subscribe button, man, before I jump through this camera. You know what I mean? Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, because that's all I need is 1,000 subscribers for my channel to be monetized. We already done hit the watch hours. Y'all got me squared away with that and stuff like that. So we need the subscribers. I think we had like 255 at the recording of this 855 at the recording of this video. So we need what? 145 more y'all that's not subscribed. If you made it this far into the video, you may as well subscribe, man, because you like what you see, man. Okay, it's men on this channel. I'm tripping. Y'all fuck with the kid. You know what I'm saying? You fuck with the kid. So go ahead and subscribe, man, for me. I would highly appreciate it. And I'm just gonna bring y'all more lit content and shit like that, and y'all gonna literally watch me grow into the man that I want to be. I'm more than trucking. I'm more than a YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to see that. I want y'all to watch me grow. I want y'all to be able to give me advice that I could take and apply to my life, my family, the dynamic of my family, and all that good stuff, man. So I'm gonna end the video right here because I can ramble on and on if I can ramble. So that's gonna be the end of the video, man. It's Daddy Watts, too raw. I'm out.
The stakes are very high. Find the juiciest principles